Go, Milo, go!
Mommy, I want to jump.
Okay, let's see your best jumps.
Pollyanna wants you to catch her and put her in jail.
Oh, okay.
Prison. If you catch her, then you have to put her in prison.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Catch her, Milo!
No! Mommy does! Mommy doesn't!
Oh, okay.
Because you have to carry Pollyanna in jail.
Oh, okay. Can you do your best split jump? Woo! What about, can you do a doggy jump, May?
Yeah.
Woo!
Doggy jump. That was a doggy jump.
Wow, that was a great one.
I'm making a picture.
I'm making a video. Oh!
That was doggy jump.
Cool. Good job, guys.
Tell me about doggy.
Yeah. Oh.
Put Pollyanna in prison and carry her away to prison.
Is that your favorite thing?